Today I'm making soy milk instant ramen. It's so easy, creamy, and delicious. This is a good quality instant ramen from Japan, and it's very tasty. It comes with the dried noodles, soup base, and a flavor packet for Tonkotsu flavor. I'm using them all. Instead of using just water, I'm adding soy milk. I'll also add an egg, green onion, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. Chop green onions and set aside. The package says 2 cups of water to boil noodles, but I'm using just 1¼ cup since I'm adding soy milk. Once the noodles are loose, add an egg. And gently boil for a couple of minutes. And during the last minute of cooking, add 3/4 cup of soy milk and simmer until it starts boiling and turn off the heat. Add the soup base and the flavor packet that came with the package. You can use any flavor of instant ramen you like. Shoyu or miso would be great too. Transfer to a bowl right away. Add green onions, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. Soy milk adds just enough creaminess and richness to the instant ramen broth. Try it and you will be pleasantly surprised.
美味しい。